This is a 2020 BMW limited edition K1600B. What makes this a limited edition is the color, which is called LUPIN blue. Just an awesome color. This is BMW's hot rod bagger. It has a 1600cc 6-cylinder engine, 6-speed transmission, pumping out 160 horse, 129 foot-pounds of torque. So it has all the power that you will need to rip the twisties or cruise down the highway. Being a BMW, it is loaded up with all kinds of performance and safety features. It has dynamic headlights, which basically what that does is going around the corner, the headlights will adjust with the turn to keep the bright patch right in the middle of the road for you. It does have driving lights, ABS Pro brakes, of course cruise control, heated seat with separate controls for the rider and the passenger, key fob with central locking, has an aircraft style fuel door, adjustable levers, heated grips. It's also equipped with reverse. So if you get out in the gravel and you're a little uphill or downhill and you don't have to worry about losing your footing trying to get the bike backed up. Electronic windshield. With the push of a button on the handlebar, you can raise and lower the windshield to find just the right spot for yourself. When you turn the bike off, the windshield will automatically lower. When you start the bike back up, it'll go back to the last position you had it. So you don't have to be fiddling with it every time you start the bike to ride. Now for the rider, it has these nice floorboards for highway pegs. And underneath it is the engine guard. It has quick shift, and what that does is if you have the throttle, you're taking off fast, you can shift up through the gears without using the clutch, which makes for very quick shifts up and down. Has a great stereo system, 4 speakers in the front fairing, controls here on the side of the fairing, and then you can also control them with the handlebar controls. Now it has 3 performance modes. One is rain, which on a slick road will keep you from spinning the back tire. A cruise mode for when you're just cruising down the highway, and then a dynamic mode for when you need all the power and performance that this beast has. It also has 6 electronic suspension controls. It has a road mode, which is a little stiffer when you're out ripping the twisties, and within that setting you have a single rider with luggage, and a 2-up setting. It has a cruise mode for the suspension that softens it up a little bit for when you're out cruising the interstate, and it also has 3 suspension modes within that, for 1-up, 1-up with luggage, and then 2-up. So you can find the sweet spot for the ride, whether you're just cruising across country or you're out ripping the twisties. Nice big LED taillights in the rear for great visibility. Great LED lights in the front. They are dynamic headlights, so they adjust to the curve of the road and also the hills to keep the headlights focused on the road in front of you. This bike is in like new condition. It has only 905 miles on the odometer. And it comes with a full factory warranty until April of 2023, or 36,000 miles, whichever you hit first. If you're in the market for a new cruiser, take a good look at this 2020 BMW limited edition K1600B. This bike is in like new condition with only 905 original miles on the odometer. For information on how to put this beautiful bike in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.